Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain first credit cards. We'll cover how these cards are designed to help you establish a credit history, which is crucial for future financial goals. You'll learn about typical features, such as initial low credit limits and potentially higher interest rates, and why understanding these is key. Most importantly, I'll guide you on the best practices for responsible spending and making payments on time to build a strong credit score from the start. When selecting your first credit card, it's important to compare the various options specifically designed for new users. Focus on cards that do not charge an annual fee, as this helps keep your costs down while you're building credit. Also, consider cards that provide helpful credit building tools or educational resources. These can offer valuable insights and support as you navigate your financial journey and learn to manage your credit effectively. Managing your first credit card responsibly is vital for long-term financial health. Always aim to pay your full statement balance by the due date to avoid accumulating interest charges and maintain a good payment history. It's also wise to keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your total credit limit. Regularly checking your credit report for any inaccuracies or suspicious activity will help protect your financial standing. Successfully managing your first credit card offers significant benefits, opening doors to better loan rates and a wider range of financial products in the future. Establishing good financial habits now will set you up for a secure and prosperous financial journey. Speaking of making life easier, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, especially with meal prep, we have a fantastic resource for you. Check out the leak-proof meal prep containers mentioned in the description below, along with other affiliate deals that can help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.